निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनम बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। करणम करणस्य लक्षणं किम्? करणस्य लक्षणं किम्? व्यापार व्यापार जनकत्वे सति असाधारण कारणम करणम। करण जो है, व्हाट इज करणम? करणम इज प्रमाकरणम, प्रमाणम। फ्रॉम प्रमाणम we came to karana, from karana we came to asadharana karana, from karana now we are discussing three karanas: samavayi karana, asamavayi karana, nimitta karana. Okay, this is how we have come. Karanam kim? हाँ, अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे से नियत पूर्ववृत्ति, अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे सति कार्य नियत पूर्ववृत्ति कारणम। समवायी कारणम
अनन्यथा सिद्ध कार्य।
हाँ, अनन्यथा सिद्ध और अन्यथा सिद्ध भिन्नत्वे सति, आइदर यू कैन से। व्यापारस्य लक्षणं किम?
व्यापारस्य द्रव्य अन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यत्वे सति
तज्जन्य जनकत्वम। When I say व्यापारस्य लक्षणं किम, then you don't have to say व्यापार, you just say the लक्षण। कार्यम किम? प्रागभाव प्रतियोगी कार्यम। समवायी कारणम
कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणं समवायी कारणं।
समवायी और असमवायी?
असमवायी कारणं।
What did I ask?
समवायी कारणं।
हाँ, what is समवायी कारणं? यत्
समवेतं तत् समवायी कारणं।
यत् समवेतं कार्यम उत्पद्यते तत् समवायी कारणं। यत् समवेतं कार्यम उत्पद्यते तत् समवायी कारणम। ओके. असमवायी कारणम. विदाउट सीइंग.
कार्येण कारणेन वा एतवस्तु समवेतं सत् सः एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणं
असमवायी कारणम. कार्येण कारणेन वा सहैकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् कारणम असमवायी कारणम. This is clear to everyone. Karyena saha. In karyena saha, what was the drishtanta? What is karya here? In karyena saha, in the drishtanta, what is the drishtanta given? Tantu sanyogaha patasya. Karyena is what here? Pata. In the karyena saha lakshana, karya is pata. Karyena saha ekasmin arthe means pata is there in tantu with samvaya sambandha, and tantu sanyoga is also there in tantu with samvaya sambandha. Between pata and tantu sanyoga asamavayi. Pata, its asamavayi karana is tantu sanyoga. ठीक है. This is karyena saha first. Then karanena saha. Karanena, in that what is karana? You see the drishtanta. Tantu rupam patasya. Tantu rupam patasya kim?
तंतु कारण असमवायी कारण.
असमवायी कारणम. तंतु रूपम पटरूपस्य असमवायी कारणम. Now karanena saha, when it is given in that lakshana, what is karana according to this drishtanta?
तंतु रूपम is कारण.
For patarupa. Tantu rupam is karanam for patarupa. But in this karanena saha, what is the karana? In this drishtanta, tantu rupam patarupasya. Karanena va saha ekasmin arthe. What is karana? Pata. Pata is karana. Pata is karana for what? Patarupa. Pata is karana for patarupa. And tantu is karana for tantu rupa. And tantu is karana for pata also. So in pata, patarupa is with samvaya sambandha. In tantu, tantu rupa is with samvaya sambandha. And in tantu, pata is also with samvaya sambandha. So patarupa is associated with tantu rupa. Between tantu rupa and patarupa, there is karya karana bhava. Asamavayi karana karya in this way. पढ़ो.
कार्येण कारणेन वा सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतत्वे सति आत्मविशेषगुणभिन्नत्वे सति यत् कारणं तत् असमवायी कारणम्.
कार्येण कारणेन वा सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् tad asamvayi karanam. This much we already knew. Now but in the lakshanas there something more is added. What is added? Atma vishesha guna bhinnatve sati. This was not there in the Mula Lakshana. Now why this is added, this we have to understand. Atma Vishesha Guna. What are the Atma Vishesha Guna? Atma Vishesha Guna.
स्वामी मुझे समझ में नहीं आती है तो
अरे आत्म विशेष गुण तो पहले ही हो गया है, इतने समय पहले।
मैं यही थी समझेंगे क्लास में।
ठीक है, अब देखो देखो इसको बताओ कहाँ है आत्म विशेष गुण। बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा, इसका नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम लगता है।
बुद्धियाँ देशा संस्कार।
ओके, बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न धर्माधर्म संस्कार है, इनको मिला। हाँ हाँ, दीज आर आत्म विशेष गुण। ठीक है, यहाँ क्या कहा, आत्म विशेष गुण भिन्नत्वे सति। नाउ व्हाई वी हैव टू थिंक दिस। सो दिस इज हाउ न्याय functions. Okay, this is how their understanding is. All these gunas are in Atma. These buddhi sukha dukha ichha dvesha ityadi, these gunas are in Atma. These gunas are in Atma with which sambandha? Which sambandha? Samvaya sambandha. हाँ, samvaya sambandha. So they say gunas are in Atma. And so Atma is their samvayi karana for all these buddhi sukha dukha ichha ityadi. And Atma manas sanyoga is asamvayi karana for buddhi sukha dukha ichha ityadi. For all Atma Vishesha Guna, Atma Mana Sanyoga is Asamvayi Karana. This just we have to understand. This is how they have accepted. Now you think, let us say there is laddu here in front of me. Okay, I have desire for this laddu. When does ichha, desire means ichha, when does ichha come?
Think a seed.
What did you say?
The object is in front of you, then desire arises.
What did you say?
The thought.
So jnanam is there, but this is also in front of me, but I did not have desire.
Because it is already.
Oh.
Liking is not there.
हाँ, so ishta sadhanatva jnanam. In the first lecture of Tarka Sangrah I explained ishta sadhanatva. Where ishta sadhanatva is there, there is pravritti. You see your notes?
I mean, this is Sovan Adhyaya, sir.
हाँ, करेक्ट। देखो नोट्स देखो आपकी, see your notes and tell me what are the three things required.
ज्ञानम कृति साध्यता बलवत् अनिष्ट
अननुबंधी।
अनुबंधी।
इष्ट साधनत्व ज्ञानम कृति साध्यत्वम बलवद अनिष्ट अननुबंधित्वम. Then this laddu will be desired. So right now desire is there, let us say. But Balavad Anishta Ananubandhi is not there. Balavad Anishta Anubandhi is there. What is there? What is the... No, part is going on. पार्ट चल रहा है तो डिजायर हो, इवन इफ डिजायर इज देयर, द क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन, यू विल नॉट ईट. दिस इज बलवद अनिष्ट. नियम इज देयर, और एकादशी इज देयर, लेट अस से, एंड सम लड्डू इज देयर. तो इवन इफ इट इज प्रसादम, some people will eat, some people will keep it and eat next day. In Chaturmas also sometimes we get something at night, let us say, prasadam. So we don't eat. Next day you eat, otherwise if you say namaskar, don't take it only. So Balavad Anishta Anubandhi is there, it will block your इच्छा और प्रयत्न बोथ. Required first for इच्छा to come. Jnanam is where? In Atma. Tarka Sangra class, in Atma. Ichha is where? In Atma. So Jnanam is in Atma with Samvaya Sambandha. The Karana for Ichha. Ichha is Atma with Samvaya Sambandha. So then Jnanam will become Asamvayi Karana for Ichha. Then Ichha will lead to बलवद कृति साध्य. इच्छा is there with samvaya sambandha in atma. Yatna also will come in atma with samvaya sambandha. So yatna's asamvayi karanam will be ichha. So these gunas, they will become karana for others. Jnana will become for ichha, ichha will become for yatna. To avoid this, because according to them, atma mana sanyoga is asamvayi karana. This atma vishesha guna as asamvayi karana. Okay. आत्म विशेष गुण was not given. Happen? They talk in their language. There will be ativyapti in atma vishesha guna. In the which lakshana? Asamvayi karana lakshana. So they all will become asamvayi karana. But according to them, what is asamvayi karanam? Atma mana sanyoga. And what is samvayi karanam? Samvayi karana for sukha dukkha ichha ityadi. And asamvayi karanam is कार्येण कारणेन वासः एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतत्वे सति आत्म विशेष गुण भिन्नत्वे सति यत् समवायि कारणम्. what कहाँ अतिव्याप्ति कहाँ लिखा है? कौन पढ़ेगा? नो 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 तंतु. हाँ, से दैट अगेन. हाँ हाँ, अव्याप्ति तंतु संयोग कारणाय कार्येण इति. कार्येण इज गिवन इन तंतु संयोग आदि. अव्याप्त तंतु संयोग इज असमवायी कारण. इफ यू डोंट से कार्येण, then what will happen? Only the rupa of the avayava is asamvayi karana for rupa of avayavi. Their lakshana will go, but the avayava sanyoga in that lakshana will not go. That's why this is good. See, when they say tantu sanyoga, means you should understand avayava sanyoga. Okay, and when they say tantu rupa, means you should understand avayava rupa. Next one is तंतु रूपादावव्य तंतु रूपादौ कारणेन इति. मीन्स अवयव रूप. If karanena was not given, happen
there will be avyakti in tantu.
means avayava rupa. If it is tantu, it is tantu. If it is kapala, then kapala rupa. So avayava is sadharana, samanya. Tantu rupada avyapti karena both are required. Atma vishesh guna is also required. Vishesha gune, this is already we have seen, is just puts. So same thing what we are, there would be ati vyapti. Atma, by which sambandha Atma is there, which karanam? Atma is samavaya. Gunas are in dravya, with which samvaya samaj is samvaya karana. And asamvaya karana is विशेष वारणाय कारणम इति. विशेष वारणाय कारणम इति. वेर इज कारणम इति. विच कारणम? हाँ, कारणम, not karyena karenena, not that one. Samavetam sat karanam, that is given later in the definition, lakshana, that is added. Why? Shesha varanaya. Now, varanaya. Every vastu, every dravya has, every parmanu has vishesha, right? Prithvi parmanu 1 and Prithvi parmanu 2, they are different from each other. What is the distinguishing factor? Vishesha. So Prithvi parmanu 1 has Vishesha 1. Prithvi parmanu 2 has Vishesha 2. What is the differentiating factor between Vishesha 1 and Vishesha 2? No, it is just like that. Don't say Vishesha. Then in Vishesha there will be another Vishesha. So they are like that. Parmanus are different because of Vishesha. Visheshas are different. That is how they are. Okay. So Vishesha is there in each dravya. Everything will have Vishesha. And that Vishesha is in its dravya. By which sambandha? Samvaya sambandha. Okay. So that Vishesha is there in all Nitya Dravya. I gave example of Parmanu because it will be there in Nitya Dravya. Vishesha is present in all Nitya Dravya with which sambandha? Samvaya sambandha. If we don't say Karanam, okay, and if we say Karyena Karanena Vasaha Ekasmin Arthe Samvetam, only this much. These Vishesha Gunas, they are Samveta, either Karyena Saha, Karanena Saha, but they are not Karanam. See, everything that is present with Samvaya Sambandha need not become Karya, need not become Karana for something. They are just there. Like if I am making Ghata, right? Danda, Chakra, Kulala, Kapala, they are Karana. But some tree is there, it has nothing to do. But it is there. So Vishesha Gunas are there, and they are there in Karya or with Samvaya Sambandha, or in Karana with Samvaya Sambandha. Karyena Saha Ekasmin Arthe Samvetam. So in Vishesha Guna, Vishesha, not Vishesha Guna, this Vishesha, in that there will be Ativyapti. So Vishesha Varana. What is Vishesha, you know? Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha. That Vishesha. That Vishesha is there in all Dravya. Everything is in Dravya only. So this Vishesha is there in all Dravya, but it is not Karanam. Vishesha is not Karanam. So Vishesha Varanaya Karanam Shabda is given. Vishesha will not be Karanam. Vishesha is there with Samvaya Sambandha. So Karana Pada is also required. Samavetam Sat Karanam Asamvayi Karanam. Okay, so Asamvayi Karanam is over. Nimitta Karanasya Kim Lakshanam Tadubhaya Bhinnam Karanam Nimitta Karanam Tadubhaya Bhinnam. Tadubhaya Bhinnam means Samvayi Asamvayi Karana Bhinnam is Nimitta Karanam. This is simple definition. Who is Vishnu Datta? The one who is not Yajna Datta or Deva Datta is Vishnu Datta. Yatha Turi Vemadikam Patasya तुरीवेमादिकं पटस्य यथा तुरीवेमादिकं पटस्य तुरीवेमादिकं तुरीवेमा. There are two different things. Turi is one, Vema is one. Turivemadikam patasya. Patasya kim? Nimitta karanam. Adikam. Danda chakra kulaladi ghatasya. Not danda chakra kulaladi. Danda chakra, whatever is not samvayi or asamvayi, everything will be nimitta karanam, saralam. Can you hear me? Tad ubhaya bhinnam karanam nimitta. हाँ.
Yes, the
Page number is 41 in Padakritya.
tat ubhaya bhinnam karanam nimitta karanam iti samavayi asamavayi karana varanaya tat ubhaya bhinnam iti.
So samvayi asamvayi karana varanaya tad ubhaya bhinnam iti. Further read.
Visheshadau ativyapti varanaya karanam iti.
Visheshadau ativyapti varanaya karanam iti. Samyak. Vishesha, again Vishesha has come. In Vishesha, ativyapti would be there. In the previous one also we saw the same. Vishesha varanaya means ativyapti varanaya. In Vishesha, ativyapti would be there. Tad varanaya karanam iti. Okay. The next one in Padakritya, Swamiji, you read, see what is given. Tadetaditi. No, karana or karana? का तुम्हारे पुस्तक में क्या है? सेम पुस्तक कारण. योर बुक यस्मात् कारणत्व. व्हाट इज गिवन?
यस्मात् कारणात् कारणत्व घटकम.
यस्मात् कारणात् कारणत्व. In some pustak, in some books, yasmat karanat karanatva ghatakam is given. In some books, karanat is not given, only yasmat karanatva ghatakam. But it should be karanatva ghatakam. Anybody else has any book which says this? कारणत्व घटकम कारणम उपदर्शितम.
स्वामीजी, yes, यस्मात् कारणात् कारणत्व.
कारणत्वम. हाँ. What did you say first?
यस्मात् कारणात् कारणत्व घटकम.
हाँ. That is correct reading. यस्मात् कारणात् you can say or no need, but कारणात् कारणत्व घटकम कारणम. मूलम तदेतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये यदसाधारणं कारणं तदेव कारणं तदेतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये यदसाधारणं कारणं तदेव कारणं. So Trividha Karan Madhye, in these three Karana, Samvayi, Asamvayi, Nimitta, whichever is Asadharanam Karanam, that is called Karanam. Tadeva Karanam. Now in Tika, Yasmat Karanat, if you want to add, Karanatva Ghatakam Karanam Upadarshitam. Yasmat Karanat Karanatva Ghatakam Karanam. Karanam is what? Karanatva Ghatakam. Karanatva Ghatakam means
कर्ण में जो उसकी हिस्सा है,
उसका हिस्सा है, हाँ, पार्ट.
जी.
What is the definition for Karanam? No, Asadharana Karanam. Karanam. Karanam is Asadharana Karanam. So in Karana Lakshana, Karana has come. How many parts are there in Karana? 2. Asadharana, Karana. Asadharana, Karanam. So 2 parts are there. In Karana Lakshana, 2 parts are there. Asadharana, Karanam. Okay? So Karana has Karana as its Ghataka. These are called Ghataka, parts. Karana has Karana as its Ghataka. That is this Ghataka.
Ghataka means part.
So Karanatva Ghatakam Karanam. कारणम किम? कारणत्वस्य घटकम. करण का घटक है कारण. हुआ कि नहीं? करण का घटक क्या हुआ? और दूसरा? हाँ, असाधारण. असाधारण कारण, दोनों करण के घटक हुए. असाधारण एंड कारण बोथ आर पार्ट्स ऑफ करण. तो करणत्व घटकम कारणम उपदर्शितम. यस्मात्, सिंस करणत्व घटकम कारणम उपदर्शितम, तस्मात्. वी विल सी दिस टुमारो. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.